So this video is going to be really quick. So we are just going to see how to claim a free Microsoft Voucher, and you can actually complete any examination of your choice. So let's see how to do this. You just need to go to this link and you'll just click on register now, and you'll just sign in with your account. Complete to a navigator. So after creating your profile, you can able to see the events here. So you can see the AA event fest here. You'll just need to click on this and it will take you to this page specifically with this YouTube video, and you can see this is happening from June 8 to June 12, 2026 in the time of PDT, that is different from our timing in India. So there are few playlists like you can see here, like for IT, data and security pros, developers, and for business professionals, educators and students and executives. There are going to be like different featured playlists. You will need to complete any of the one playlist. I will show you how to complete it and how to claim your voucher. So after clicking on that, here you can see start learning. So you'll just click on start learning here. After clicking on start learning, you can see these modules that is getting to start. I have shown you like there was 4 modules, which was 2 modules and 2 YouTube videos. So basically this is the introduction to Azure Copilot. You can just scroll down. You'll just click on next. Completing all these modules, you will be able to see this tick mark in the right hand side of the module. So you will be able to see that has been completed and some of those are in progress. So for YouTube videos, you can just skip in between and you can just leave it. But it takes a little of time for this in progress to get converted into this tick mark. So I will show you for this YouTube video. So this is 11-minute video. You just don't need to watch it fully. So I have completed this video right now. So you can see the tick mark right side. So after I completed this IT Pro Save Time with Azure Copilot playlist, here you can see the playlist is complete and see check what's unlocked. So we'll just click on this. So it will take us to a Microsoft Forms, and here we will have to fill our details. So here you can see that you can only collect a free certification voucher if you have completed a AA Skill First playlist, and you will have to complete this form before June 12, 2026, 11 p.m. 11:59 p.m. So then here you will be able to claim a exam voucher, and you will have this email from Pearson by 19th of June 2026. So this is the video. I think I made it quick. So I made sure you understood all the things. If don't forget to claim the voucher, I will meet in the next video. Until then, bye.